slide your foot out, in and out real quick, you're fine, right? So
yeah.
Well, good day everybody, welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer Thing. Happy Canada Day to all of you guys in Canada, and to you guys in the United States, you'll get your day in 3 more days from now. So we are here with the Inmotion P6 and the awesome Nosfet Apex, which is, yeah, my go-to. But yeah, let's see if we can kill ourselves on this guy. Let's go. All right, yeah, it's definitely a hot one today. No trails today, man. This is just you go up front.
Yeah.
This is just going to be
behind you for a second.
Street ride.
Yeah, it's soaking hot.
Hot, eh?
Yeah.
It is definitely a warm one. It's nice with the breeze, and that's why I said let's go on the bike path, because then we got a bit of the canopy from the trees, right?
Yeah.
So Sage is ripping it on the Apex, and I am on the Inmotion P6. I'm definitely still more of an off-road guy, don't get me wrong. Now, this is definitely smooth. The P6 is nice, it's smooth. Ooh, there's a trail right there.
Where?
We'd have to check it out on our way back. But yeah, running on the P6 here from Inmotion, it's absolutely very, very, very smooth. But you do feel the weight for sure. Now, you're definitely using the pedals to kind of help you turn. I still am a big, huge fan of the Apex for my play when I want to commute. But this is Sage's first time now on the actual Apex here, and he's become very used to running the Aeon from Nosfet. So Sage, what do you think now that you've done 6 kilometers on the Apex?
It's nice. It's just heavy.
You're adapting to it, right? I mean, it's the same thing as like when you went from the V9 for the very first time to the Aeon. Remember that? You're like, oh my God, this thing is crazy. It's too hard. Yeah. And now that one, the Aeon, is your go-to. I think the Apex fits in nicely because it's got the range, it's got the speed and the power, and still got the weight that holds you. Oh wow, stairs. That holds
yeah, you can go down those.
No stairs today. I'm done for stairs today. Right?
Yeah, it's nice.
Right?
Smooth.
You
stable.
Just gotta, yeah, you gotta find that foot position. You gotta find that balance of comfort where you don't get the wobbles. And then still the suspension setup. Like I've set it up fairly loose, but the spring rate for you, I mean, it is still fairly tight. So it is definitely pushing you around than absorbing anything.
Oh yeah.
I think. Yeah,
like
Joel, I think once you get back onto this one, now that I've dialed it in nicely to our weight, I think you're going to, I hope, you're going to be like, oh wow, this is definitely much nicer machine. It's got much more smoother characteristics and handling. But I can see easily how people get very attached to these machines, but I'm still an off-road guy. I still like my trails. P Park. Yeah, so let's, yeah, there's I think it's on the top. Shankusha. Let's try that. Don't want to go over too much.
Yeah.
But a little bit more. Ooh, it's a warm one. Oh, wait a minute. Back, tap, in park. There you go.
All right.
Oh, I might have to. Oh no, okay, I'm good.
Good to
go. Yeah, you thought the Apex was heavy? Oh.
Wow, that tilt is so weird.
Wow, yours is the Apex now feels so flimsy. Like The Apex is like super, not lightweight, but flippy floppy, very, very flippy floppy easily.
Yeah.
The tilt, what do you mean the tilt?
The way it just tilts when you slow down.
Oh, yes.
You can feel the physical like tilt of it.
Yes.
Whoa.
Yeah, oh, yeah, it definitely feels much different, right?
I don't know if I even like that. It's weird because it feels like it's just constantly stabilizing itself.
It is, it is. It's kind of, there's always constant movement, right? Of
Yeah,
tilting forward and back and everything, yeah.
Yeah, that's very weird.
So, whereas this one now feels very, very direct, like the,
Like this here is gonna be weird. Oh my God. Wow.
like the what's name used to be, the Aeon feels just like the Aeon. It's like very, very direct. It's like a hardtail, if you have to kind of explain it, right?
Yeah.
That one's like a full suspension, where this one is kind of like a, it's like a hard, rigid tail, right? Very, very direct. Very, you feel everything.
Left.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel. It definitely takes a lot of input to.
Yes. But then you're gonna get back on this one, and you're gonna feel super freaking squally again.
Yeah.
So, as long as you're comfortable on it, keep riding it.
I'll probably swap back with you, honestly, eventually. This is very odd. Because the tilt's throwing me off. I feel like I'm turning, but I'm not. It's the machine tilting.
Yes. Right?
Yeah, the braking works though.
All right.
Now,
Whenever you're ready, you want to count it down?
you count it down.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Now do it sitting.
I don't know how to sit on it.
Well, try.
I don't know what to do.
You duck them.
Oh, that's it?
A little bit.
I have to do this.
There you go. Yeah. Just watch, because the seat is a little bit slipperier compared to mine, right? So one hand in the front.
I don't want to be honest, nah, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1.
Braking so much
Oh,
better.
watch. Huh? Yep. All right.
Pretty quick.
What's that? 55.
Huh?
55.
This one?
Well, on mine.
Oh.
And I was keeping up with you, so
Yeah, I can't go any faster.
still standing up.
Here in the wind, and it's like, Jesus.
Still standing up. 55 ain't bad at all,
The
man.
faster you go, the more stable.
Yeah, but the problem but the problem is when you start hitting the wobble, it's then really hard to get out of it. That's the only downside about it, because of its weight. Not that it has a tendency to wobble, but when it does, yeah. That was 60 standing.
Yeah, and I'm barely even pushing it too.
No, I know.
Like you can really dip it. That's nice.
Smooth though, eh?
So,
Smooth tire. I'm almost kind of contemplating on putting a street tire on this one, but then I'm like, yeah,
defeats the whole thing.
then it defeats the whole purpose.
You can, like, trails, you're not really gonna do great.
No. But I mean, this tire works real nice. Don't get me wrong. So there we go. So this is now the Don Mills Trails.
Okay. That's fine.
All right, we're good.
Yeah.
let's take a breather. Let's take a break. All right. So we're just here on the Don Valley Trail. So we've done quite a few kilometers already. And yeah, Sage is he's taken on the P6 and he ain't giving it back.
I don't mind.
It is a hot, steaming day. It feels like 45 degrees. So it is, yeah, currently 32, I think it was. Feels like 45. Stifling hot, 31, 32. So we're just about, we're on the Don Valley Trails now. We went southbound and now we kind of crossed over the DVP. Now we're coming a little bit now northbound. Up here there's a switchback bridge that I wanted Sage to try. He hasn't seen it, so he doesn't know exactly what it's about. But I definitely want I wanted to try it.
Feels like 42.
36 degrees, feels like 42.
Celsius.
Yeah. Celsius.
Yeah, Fahrenheit it's like 104.
104, yeah, give or take. Hot.
Florida weather.
Florida weather, yeah,
humid.
Muggy Florida weather.
More humid right now than Florida is.
Oh, it's crap. So anyways, we're gonna head over to the switchback and I'm gonna get you to go up front. Yeah. Because I just, well, this way, when you are talking, I can actually hear you because unfortunately your mic is dead. So.
Yeah, I'm not very good at turning. I turn left, it's the same like the bikes. Left is no problem, right?
It's tough.
I can't turn right very well.
But overall, your impression of the P6, you liking it?
It's so smooth.
You like it because of the tire, or do you like it because of just the functionality of it?
And once you get used to the whole like thing moving, like it really helps.
Pivoting forward, pivoting back,
and how it kind of like the whole thing's like stabilized.
Yeah.
And it's smooth. It's nice.
So
I'd like to go faster.
No, it's fast enough.
I'll probably do it with like elbow pads or something on.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I think this would be the first machine I would kind of feel comfortable wearing a full suit.
Wouldn't wear a full suit. Just elbow pads, gloves.
I'm afraid to go down.
Leather, elbow pads, and knee pads, and I'd be okay with it.
All right, let's get back on the journey to the switchback. Let's go. Here we go. Now this is the switchback. What do you think, buddy?
I'm trying to, it's not like that, it's that, right?
Yeah, we gotta go back, up, back, forth, all the way up, man.
Just glad we don't have to pedal.
That's gonna be pretty cool. Hey, be thankful you don't have to pedal.
Exactly what yeah, that's what I said. Oh, Lord.
I gotta get some pictures too.
Yeah.
Toronto Don Trails switchback. So weird. Woohoo! You get kind of disoriented, don't you?
A little bit.
Kind of get a little bit dizzy. There you go. I made it all the way here on EUC land. And then the trail, yeah, the trail just kind of continues on just a little bit and then it kind of stops, right? Because it takes you into a road.
Yeah.
So from here is either we turn around and we start doing it back or we take the road back. It's up to you.
What's the time difference?
Not much. I mean, it's more of a fun factor, really.
Yeah, I'd rather do the trail back.
I mean, I'm cool. I'm totally cool doing the path back again.
So would I, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you know, what else are we gonna do? We're gonna rush back and sit down, and so let's do it back again.
Why not?
Why not? Okay, I'm going to go first.
Yep.
So I can video you in the back of me.
All right. Ooh.
And 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Oh, fuck.
Pretty neat though, eh?
Be careful we don't get too much speed there.
Right? We're gonna get a lot, yeah, I know, easily get speed, because now you're just going down.
Yeah.
I just find it a little bit disoriented though.
It's because everything looks the same.
That was fun.
Nice and cool.
What was that?
So it's nice and cool now.
Yeah, nice and cool now. Yeah, this is good. So, yeah, okay, so we'll just head on back. We'll take the same path as we came down through here.
Yep.
So, but other than that, there you go. We had some fun. That was enjoyable. Hey, you little chipmunk, come here. So, but anyways, yeah. Hopefully we'll get out fairly soon and do some other stuff. Path. And get some more trails. We got to get back in the trails, Sage. We haven't done trails in a while.
What trails? Like on what?
Well, we got to finish the Motown. I think you and I need to do Motown again.
Yeah.
Right there, that was the end of Moortown.
Yeah.
Right there. So I think we need to get back on the Aeons.
Yeah.
When the temperature comes down a bit, and do Motown again.
Yep. Try it again.
Do Motown Time Attack.
Okay.
Yeah.
Trouble.
All right, well, anyways, till next time, y'all be good, be safe, have fun, take care. Don't forget, keep it covered. Be safe. Yeah, Purse. Yo.